Hi, I'm Emma and today I'm going to show you how to download your own SVGs and upload them so that you can cut them with your Cricut machine. So let's head over to the software so I can show you exactly how to do it. So here we are in Cricut Design Space and we're going to head to this little cloud here that says upload. When we click that, we've got the option to upload our own image here. So I'm going to head there and browse my computer for the image I want. Now I'm going to pick this ice cream. But any image, whether it's a JPEG, an SVG, a PNG, is going to work for you. Click upload and you'll see this screen right here. Click complex image just to get the best detail on your image. And then head to continue. Now in this screen you'll see your image. If it isn't an SVG or a PNG and it isn't ready to cut, you might want to erase some of the areas, so you've got the option to do that here with the magic wand tool or the rubber. So as you can see, if there was a section of this I didn't want to cut, I could erase it. Or I can go back and bring it back. So once I'm happy, I'm going to click continue. Here I've got the option to save as a print then cut image or as a cut image. I'm going to select cut image and then click save. Now my ice cream image is ready for me to use to cut with. So I'm going to select it from this library and insert it onto the canvas. Now it's in here, I can resize it, move it around and use it to cut with. So I'm now going to create a simple project with this ice cream image. I'm going to resize it to just over 4 inches, like so, and click make it. Here we can see it's popped it onto the mat and I'm happy with where that is. So I'm going to click continue. Just going to connect my machine. So I'm using the Cricut Maker. And I want to cut this out of vinyl, so now it's time for me to choose the material that I'm going to use. And I'm going to click holographic vinyl down here and load my mat and get ready to cut. Okay, so I'm going to place my holographic vinyl onto my mat in this top corner like so. Make sure it's nicely lined up. I'm just going to use my scraper to scrape out any bubbles and make sure that that is flat to the mat, like so. And now it's ready, I'm going to pop it into the machine. And I'm going to press this arrow, the flashing arrow, to load the material into the machine. Okay, so I'm going to press go and we can see the machine start cutting. Just make sure that all of the area around it is clear so that it has room for the mat to move in and out of the machine. So I'm going to press the flashing arrow to eject my project from the machine. Turn my mat over and peel the mat away from the vinyl to take it off of the mat, like so. Now I'm going to weed away the design so it's ready to pop onto the front of a notebook. Okay, so I'm going to take my weeding tool and pop it in and just peel away everything apart from my design. So here we go. Now I'm going to go in and remove all of the bits from the inside of the ice cream. So we'll start to see the design emerge. Just be careful with any tiny little bits that you've got them as well. So I'm just going to remove these little bits too. This tool is really handy just to get in there and remove any of those little bits. Although it does look like a dentist tool. I promise it is for crafting. Okay, there we go. You can see my ice cream design looking beautiful there in this holographic vinyl. Now I'm going to remove all of the excess, get rid of that. Now I'm going to pop a piece of transfer tape on top of my design so that I can move it on to a notebook. So I'm going to peel away this transfer tape. Again, pick up the edge with the reading tool. It's a bit tricky. This is basically like a sticky back plastic that's going to help you carefully move your design from one place to another. So I'm now going to pop this on top of my design. I'm going to use my scraper tool to really press down and make sure it's stuck to the transfer tape. Don't be afraid to push nice and hard here. Turn it over and carefully peel back the backing card and leave your design behind on the transfer tape. Now I'm going to grab my notebook and position the ice cream exactly where I'd like it. So I think I'd like it in this corner, just like so. Once I'm happy with where it is, press down the design, again, get the scraper in there and give it a really good press. Now, to remove the transfer tape, what we need to do is roll it back on itself, nice and flat. So fold it back and carefully roll back like so, leaving your vinyl design on the notebook and taking away the transfer tape. Don't be afraid to pull quite hard. Now pop your transfer tape back on its card because you're able to use that again and again and again, so don't lose that bit. And there we go, as you can see, one beautiful holographic ice cream that we've downloaded, cut out and popped onto the front of our notebook. Downloading your own SVGs gives you the freedom to make even more projects. You can resize and edit your uploaded designs to be cut from any material, which means even more crafting possibilities. I hope this video helped you. Happy crafting!